Good morning. Welcome to lecture number 9, TIA Portal V16, preparing small PLC program. Let's go. Now we have the PLC program ready in PLC in the CPU. Now we want to create one function block. In this function block we will create some variables, and this will be to write and read data directly from PLC. Let's make the function block the OPC UA.com and with language ladder, and I put the number of this function block 20. After I inserted the function block, I have the possibility to make the variables inside, for example, static. Inside this I will put some variables, some tags to make the read and write data in the future lectures. Tag 1, tag 2nd, tag 3rd. First one will be bool, next one will be, for example, float, the real value, and the last will be the integer value. As we see, we have the some columns. In this column we see the accessible from HIME, OPC UA and Web API. Next is writable from HIME, OPC and Web API. And next one is visible in HIME engineering. These settings we will put in next lectures, where I can describe you how to use these functions. Now we need to open the OB1 and we need to make the call the FB20 to make the DB. My DB will be also 20 to make this working better. Okay, in OB1 we have the function call. After we download this into PLC program, we are ready to make this tags read and write possibility. Okay, let's load this into PLC, finish. Now I put some PLC tags into external table so I can manage these tags externally, not from DB but from the PLC tags and from watch tables. First of all, I put the OPC tag 1, tag 2nd, tag 3rd. First one is false. Okay, I need to make the data type different, and I need also make the correct address. As you see, I have the values false, 0 and 0. Until now it's enough. Thank you for watching, and let's go to next lecture where we go with OPC settings inside TI Portal V16.